Pronto?
Hello, Signor Eduardo. How are you doing?
Lynn, your chain will be shipped today and delivered in 2 weeks.
We develop special lightweight blades to fit your technical design.
Lynn, I'd like to thank you for your choice, and I hope you will be convinced of the quality of our product.
Today, we supply spare parts for the conveyor equipment to dozens of countries worldwide, including England, Sweden, France, Iceland, Italy, Croatia, Slovenia, and so on. To achieve the maximum quality, I decided to focus on the conveyor equipment only. As you do the same thing every day, you get the hang of it. Learn all the production secrets. You see what to fix and what to work on more. The drawbacks of your technology. And you work on it every day. Correct it, and in the end, make the ultimate quality product. It all begins with the technical department. The technical department prepares the design and process flow documentation for every order.
The customer often lacks the design documents or expert knowledge to provide us with the information we need. In such situation, we make inquiries for product samples, do the technical analysis to prepare technical documentation, formulate the customer's requirements to the product, improve it if necessary, analyze the current wear and upgrade the structures. This way, we can fulfill the orders in the shortest time possible. It is our technical department and engineering staff that makes it possible.
With our niche expertise, we learned how to make our product fast, so very often complete the orders ahead of schedule. There are situations when the customers place an urgent order. Then, we do our best to help and manufacture whatever they need as fast as possible.
This prompt response is what our customers appreciate, because in an emergency, they do not have to shut the production down and suffer significant losses. Since I started my career as a package designer and reached the position of the head of the technical department, I know all the intricacies of preparing design and technical documentation. This is what makes us efficient enough to work on several orders simultaneously without quality loss.
After the documentation is ready, the order execution begins. The best certified metal is delivered to our warehouse. Both metal bars and sheet metal have to undergo compulsory incoming control of the quality control department. The production stage starts with the laser cutting shop. The workshop is equipped with the true laser cutting machines. Happily, the company can afford 3 laser cutting machines, so the shop's productivity is very high. The cutting precision is also impressive. It enables us to speed up the parts manufacture in other workshops. The bending is also done on the latest machines of True and Armada brands. The production precision reaches 0.1 millimeters, which means that we can manufacture elements of any configuration. After preparing the blanks for the future blades and grooves, all the parts are transferred to the assembly workshop. Here we use a FANUC welding robot to avoid the smallest errors and to achieve flawless quality. For chain production, the parts undergo mechanic treatment. The high precision of the mechanic treatment matters a lot. To ensure the quality of our products, we use cutting-edge DMG Mori machines. We employ the most modern heat treatment methods for the continuously high-quality heat treatment, including carburizing, volume hardening, cyaniding, nitriding, and HFC treatment. We use the newest Russian Nikal brand furnaces and high-frequency current units. We prepared special tooling for our true press, so now manufacturing chains of any complexity is just a piece of cake for us. The thing is that this tooling and machine reach the precision of 0.1 millimeters, which is a very high precision class for any product. Once the best product in the world is manufactured, it has to be adequately packed. The package of all export items undergoes fumigation, which means the extermination of all fungi and pests in the wood, for our foreign customers to get the best product ever packed in high-quality wood. You can buy the best equipment and create super production capacity, but you cannot become a world-class company without the selected staff and proper management.
At the moment, the company has 154 employees. Every vacancy we announce is treated individually. Firstly, we make up a job avatar, a portrait of a candidate we are looking for, the personal and professional qualities we seek. The designer is not just a profession, but a vocation. So we set a straightforward task for our HR department to find exactly this type of people. When a new person comes to our company, we first train them up for a test week. During this time, we see whether this person suits us or not. We do our best to train them so that the new employee becomes a high-class specialist. Our company is another essential management tool, which is the coordination system. All our system is cyclic. We dedicate one day of the week to meetings, decisions, and making plans for the next week. This coordination technology makes it possible for us not to waste time in vain. When I first came to the company, I was amazed at the high morale of the employees. Recently, we all got into sport. We now play football and volleyball because one of our wishes was to see the employees healthy. Our kids love going to the water park. For them, we organise games and entertainment in the open air. Such events create a friendly atmosphere in the company and within the staff.
The way the production work and the management are organized, the balance between them is a special kind of beauty. We spend a lot of time together. We have various sports and cultural events.
The human soul craves beauty. For instance, our Director General is a great classical art lover. Oh, I can tell you so much about it. Pavel Viktorovich values it a lot.
You know, it's not enough to just do something. I want to make it beautiful. When you're making something beautiful, when you're in that high tone yourself, you can charge the others with your energy, which is a very good thing to do.
Получается хорошее дело. хочется приходить на работу.
I want to enjoy going to work. And when you see a lot of beauty around, the beautiful equipment you made, beautiful and happy people, you realize that this must be what you've been looking for.
Наверное, это то, к чему ты стремился.
But the greatest value of our company is our employees. It is important for me that every employee feels that their contribution is really appreciated. This is one of the reasons we choose the Employee of the Week and continuously mention the achievements of our people. It matters a lot for our company.
Это очень важно для нашей компании.
One really great iron worker desired to retire. Our company granted him an additional corporate pension as a sign of recognition.
We had, and we still have, many distinguished people who really deserve appreciation, and I would like to keep their memory. One of such people is Alexander Shestopalov, an iron worker who made a significant mark on our company and contributed to its development. I thought a lot about what I could do to keep the memory of him, and I decided to raise the flag with his picture under the dome of our palace. We called a workshop after him and granted him a lifelong pension.
Metallurg Company is regularly involved in charity campaigns, doing a lot for the city and the people. Our office walls are literally covered in letters of gratitude and certificates.
I have never seen such a tightly welded team before.
All people who get to our crew are friendly, open, and have a good sense of humour.
And of course, we select such people for a reason. Our staff are the most kind-hearted. Should any of us need any help, we are always there for each other.
Our basic principle is one for all and all for one. We have our company life board. Every employee can come and paste a picture of anything we did together. It unites us even more.
The projects are getting more and more complex every year. We started from simple chains, and by now we have learned to manufacture real elevators of 30 meters and higher. This is all because we all share the same goal. We want our company to grow and become a leader in the conveyor equipment spare parts production.
Any company reflects its founder's personality. Besides, a company is a team and a management system based on common values, common ambition, and common dreams.